Welcome to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making crispy masala fries. Start by peeling the potatoes and give them a quick dip in water. This helps remove excess starch and gives that perfect crunch. Once rinsed, lay them out on a clean towel and gently pat them dry. Now cut them into medium-sized sticks, not too thick, not too thin, just the right bite. Uniform cuts make sure they fry up nice and even. Now it's time to spice things up. Add some salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, ajwain, meat masala, chaat masala, chopped green chilies, and a handful of fresh coriander. Then add just enough besan to lightly coat the fries. A splash of water, about a tablespoon, brings it all into a smooth, even mix. Heat oil in a kadai and drop the fries in one by one. Fry till they are golden and crisp. Stir occasionally so they cook evenly and get that perfect crunch on all sides. Once they are done, take them out and let the extra oil drain on a paper towel. Just look at that. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful inside. Serve hot with some tangy tomato ketchup and a steaming cup of chai. This is the kind of snack that brings instant joy, perfect for your cozy evenings, rainy weather, or anytime you're craving something homemade and comforting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.